Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Gmail SMTP server. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. Now, once we open our browser, what we're going to do is to search for google.com. So click on it, and then once you're here, just click your profile icon on the upper right corner of the screen, and then click on Manage Your Google Account. Now, what we're going to do next is to click on Security and Sign In. And then after that, make sure that two-step verification is turned on. So if it is not turned on, make sure that you turn it on. And then once it is done, what we're going to do next is to go here on the search bar and then search for app. And then we're going to look for app passwords, which is under the security. Once you see it, just click on it. And then after that, on this part, what we're going to do is to create an app name. So let's say, for example, that the app name is example only, and then click on create. Once you do that, you will see this password. So copy it. And once you copy it, make sure that you put it in a place where you're not going to miss it, because once you click on done, you're not going to be able to recover it anymore. So click on copy and then click on done. Once you do that, what we're going to do next is to open another tab, search for gmas.com/smtp-test. After that, click on enter. And then once you are now here, what we're going to do next under the SMTP server is to type smtp.gmail.com. And then for the port, we're going to put 465. And then for the security, you can choose either SSL or TLS. So I'm going to click on SSL right here, just an example. And then for the username, what we're going to put is our Gmail username, which is this one. And then once you put it, what we're going to do next on the password is the one that we have copied earlier, which is this. So once you do that from the email, so the email that we're going to put right here is the one that is going to send the test message to this email. So let's say, for example, that this is the one that we're going to use, and then we're going to send it to this Gmail account. So once you do that, what we're going to do is to click on test it. And then after that, once you click it, you will be able to see this. So just open another tab right here and then search for gmail.com. And then just log in into the account where we sent it to. So go here. And then once you see it, you should be able to see it right here. So that is basically it.